it's Bill, and I'll do something a little different. Nah, I'm just kidding. It's the same stuff. I've made this recipe before, and I hate the way recipes get buried in the algorithm. It's usually pretty popular, and it's actually what I was thinking about when I got up this morning, so I'm going to show it to you again. And it's basically, it's chicken salad that's beyond incredible. So whenever I make barbecue chicken, I only use breast, and I always buy extra pieces that I don't put barbecue sauce on. So after dinner, when it's cooled down, I skin it and just pull the meat off the bone. So I've got a pretty good sized breast here, and I actually sat there, and I don't know why this didn't come to me like, ooh, I'll have to do that. But this is so simple. I'm just going to walk you through it again, okay? So first of all, let's get some black pepper in here. And I'm not going to make a ton of it, okay? Just a half ton. I hate opening these. So I got some sage, some ground sage, and I love this because it's like really part of chicken, you know? And I need a teaspoon or almost. So I jam-packed a half a teaspoon, and that should be about the same amount. And my secret ingredient, I got a little curry. Now, I don't want to go crazy with it. You just want that hint. So people are like, there's something in there that tastes familiar, but I'm not sure what it is. So this is definitely just going to be half a teaspoon, just maybe a little less. Just going to shake some of that excess off there. Boom. It's going to give it some good color. And you know, curry is not, doesn't grow on trees. It's a combination of spices. So I always try and find a curry I really like to use for this. And all my other cooking. Okay, so what else do we have? Well, I need to get the process started. I need to get a little wet in here. So I've got some Dijon mustard. And for this much, I'm probably going to get pretty close to like a 1/8 of a cup, bunch of tablespoons. Because I really do like to have it kind of stand out and be like, ooh, this is really part of the wetness of it. And grab me a fork. This is where we just start to mush it up. Only kidding, don't mush. Gently fold. And I just want to make sure I got enough mustard and stuff to cover the chicken. Looking really good. I'm already getting hungry. That's a good sign. Might need a little more mustard, we'll know, but basically all the chicken is covered in spices and in the mustard. It looks pretty good. Now, let's get some crunchy stuff in here because you need to go crunch when you have chicken salad. So I'm going to put about half a cup of celery. And I'm going to put half a cup, maybe a little more, of red onion that I chopped up. It's pretty strong. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Just starting the process. process. So now, I need to get some mayonnaise in here. I'm not going to go too crazy. You know the old saying, you can't take away, but you know, if you have to, you could add some more chicken or something if you got too much in here. But I still got more ingredients to go, so we're going to keep it a little on the wet side. And so we're probably about equal parts of mustard and mayo. And I did find out by accident that there is a difference between the real Grey Poupon what is it called? Yeah, Grey Poupon Dijon mustard. Just want to make sure I was telling the truth. Some of the generics just don't, I don't know, they just have the wrong bite to them. Alright, so this looks really good right now. So what do we have left to do? Because it's me, gotta have some cashews. So I'm just going to start with little bits. It's probably enough. Oh yeah. Depending on the mood I'm in, sometimes actually I put a ton of cashew in here. But this chicken was really good and tender, and I want to keep it kind of the highlight. Sometimes I like the saltiness of the cashew to really shine. So how do we make a sandwich of this? Well, so we can be really basic. I've got some pumpernickel. I think pumpernickel bread, or maybe, you know, that swirly stuff, or good rye with seeds is good. I got some good deli Swiss on here, and it doesn't have to be really fancy, but what I want to do is show you what a beefsteak tomato is. I talk about it all the time. This is a beefsteak tomato. I mean, this thing's beautiful. So I want to cut it kind of perfect. Yeah, whatever. And I've got this. This is actually a fillet knife, so I can get some really nice, pretty slices out of it, just like running through the slicer. And why they call this a beefsteak? It's got all this meat to it, you know? That's really the whole thing about beefsteak tomatoes. So what am I going to do? I'm going to start my cut, get it just on a nice couple thin slices. So what do we do? Put this together. I got these beautiful slices of tomato. And whoops, I missed. Yeah, that's what I expected. It's easier with a spoon, but I've done this with pita before. Excellent option, but I just thought this bread would really bring it out. You know, sometimes you just gotta walk around the bakery, take a look and see what they got, and then kind of decide. So I just got this really pretty sandwich, and this is the real thing, you know. Really good. All the stuff that's falling out is fair game. Got to try cashew. Oh yeah, I need to put it back. So, I guess I kind of didn't really give it as much credit's due. This is just a really great salad. Holds up in the refrigerator for, you know, a day. It just really tastes great, less filling. No, just kidding. Anyway, I hope you try it or try it again, and I will see you back with another wonderful, amazing video / recipe. Have a great day.